Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, alishanmao here. My practice sessions these days, I'm practicing on flight simulator and outdoors. So this is GooSky Legend S2, my personal favorite, and I'm actually using it a whole lot for practicing because I have tons of parts for this and repairs are very easy. I also have my RS4 sitting there, which inshallah I will fly, and you can see. So let's fly the GooSky S2 and do some practice here, and inshallah we'll not crash it. Here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So my practice sessions mostly include practicing the inverted orientations. This is very important because without this you won't be able to learn and do much. Oh, that was a mistake. Ended up at the wrong side. Wow. I didn't know it can get this fast in inverted forward flight, man. I was very close. Mashallah, the flight went very well. My pyro flips are getting, alhamdulillah, better, and helicopter is still in one piece. Alhamdulillah. Ladies and gentlemen, take my words for it, man. GooSky S2 Legend is one of their, I would say, the hottest, not just the hottest, but one of the best decisions from GooSky, because it's small, it's cheaper, it's lightweight, and it is absolutely very, very locked in. I mean, even pro pilots can pull a whole lot of stuff on this one, but beginner 3D pilots like me, you can see I'm learning and practicing on this a whole lot. Repairs are very easy, so this is the best helicopter from GooSky. If you want to, you know, learn to fly and learn to do 3D, this thing is a big help. Now, of course, RS4 in a bigger category from GooSky, and it's just a different animal right here. So, thank you very much for watching this video. Let's fly RS4.